Welcome back to another episode of 2 Minute Tuesday. I'm Ryan Keitel with Utility Service Agency.
And I'm Jonathan Singleton, Utility Service Agency.
We're here today to talk about Bone Safety Signs Universal Sign Bracket. Easily adaptable to Bone's sign stands, but yet universal to fit any manufacturer's signs, including Bone signs.
So the first step is to take your quick connect bracket off of your sign stand.
We can then install the new universal bracket to Bone stand.
Then you grab your sign, place it into the slot here, rest it on the stop, and tighten the screw.
As you can see, this universal bracket will adapt to the ribs of any universal sign from 36 to 48 or any manufacturer. Please reach out to your local Utility Service Agency representative for any additional questions or demonstrations on this product and all of the products on our line card.